How to change password on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issue to change your password on Zangi application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the Zangi app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now click on your profile picture. You can see the option for change password. Click on it. Now write down the password according to your preference, but make sure that no one can steal it. Again, re-enter your password. Once you fill up all the details, click on continue. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna change our password in Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Zangi app, then make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. See you in the next one. Bye bye.